Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to check if the picture is from the internet. I'm going to show you two ways of doing that. One will be using google.com and the other one using reverse image search called TinEye. So let's start. First of all, we need to go to google.com, and after we get there, in the right top corner over here we've got images. So all we need to do is click on it. And after we do this, we'll see that under Google image there will be little images text over here, and over here we've got a little camera icon, so we need to click on it, and this will allow us to search for the image. We have two ways of searching for the image. We can do it by pasting image URL address or simply uploading an image from our hard drive. So if we want to just paste URL, we need to find the image. Let's say I would like to search for this one or that one. Let's say that one. We right click on the image, copy image address, and then go back to Google and paste it over here and click search by image. As soon as we do this, it will start searching for this image on the internet and will find similar images as well as exactly the same images on different websites. So as you can see over here, we've got exactly the same image on several websites, and it will be listed over here. Of course, we can do the same thing by clicking on the icon over here, search by image, and then just uploading an image from our hard drive. So to do that, we click choose file, and then we can choose the file. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one, it's an emoji. I click open, the file is uploading, and in a second it's already found some matches. So over here we have some websites where this image was found. So this is how we can check if the image is on the internet, by using google.com. And another way to do the same thing is by using TinEye reverse image search. I really recommend this one, it works great. And over here we also have few possible ways of doing that. We can either paste image URL address over here like we did a moment ago with Google search, or we can click on this icon over here and then choose the image we want to find. So let's say I'm gonna find the same arrogant emoji. I click on it, it's being uploaded, and right now it's searching if it is on the internet. As you can see, it found two results and it searched over 39 billion images in just 2 seconds. And that's it for today. Remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.